Racing just is started with a Skyway. Break quickly to start rushing about the outside. Radioactive Lacan, then followed by King Bull. Next on let is Rock My World. Brother Verde will be humble. Is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with a Skyway. Link and a half. Lacan in second. Radioactive is racing in third. King Bull is down on the inside fourth, and in fifth, Rock My World Be Humble, while Pradera Verde now racing in last back to the leader, Weary Skyway. Lacan is down on the inside second, Radioactive is on the outside third, King Bull is down in fourth, then comes Rock My World Be Humble, while Pradera Verde is still in last 400 meters of the race. Weary Skyway by Orlink, and in second is Lacan, and on the outside Radioactive, King Bull, and they are now entering the home stretch. Skyway, Lacan is down on the inside, Radioactive, King Bull, last 100 meters, Weary Skyway, Lacan is running by the rail, Skyway, Lacan, Radioactive, King Bull, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Skyway, Lacan, Radioactive, King Bull, then comes Pradera Verde, Radio, or Rock My World, and Be Humble.
Alright, mga karerista, number 1, Skyway, crossing the wire first, ridden by Apprentice O'Neil P. Cortez. Then, segundo ron, yung kaling ng pinerform. Number 6, Lacan. Then, 4, Radioactive, King Bull. Panoorin natin, replay nitong race number 2.